Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. In this video, I will show you how to fix the OBS audio not working. There are a total of 4 solutions I will introduce today about how to fix the no sound OBS studio or the OBS audio doesn't work. First of all, I will tell you how to test whether the OBS audio could work properly. It's very simple. Just check this bar. If you find any one of these bars are moving with such gray colors, that it means the audio could work properly. Otherwise, the audio may have a glitch. Now, if you find there is no sound on your OBS studio, just firstly go to Settings and then choose the audio. Find the devices. You could find there are several options. The reason why the OBS audio doesn't work could be because when you set one of these choices to disabled, so when there is no sound on OBS, just set the desktop audio and some other options to the default or even to your microphone and check whether it could work properly. After that, just save the setting by tap on the OK or Apply. Now I will just go back to the interface. The second solution to fix a no sound OBS is that you could just also just right-click your mouse and choose the advanced volume properties. Here you could also find some options. Just pay attention to the volume monitoring. Here you could try some different fixes such as set them to monitor off and or to the monitor and output and check whether the audio could work. Now the third solution is very simple. Just close the OBS software and then just open it once again. I will not try this solution because I'm just recording the computer screen with this at the moment. The last solution is very simple. Now just to fix the audio, to fix the OBS audio not working, you could add a media source by add a media source from the sources, and then choose the media source. Tap on the OK, and just select a media from your computer. For example, just recording. You could just add any media source here. Then it could perhaps fix the no sound problem on
Hello
your
everyone,
OBS.
in this video
So
I will show you top 70 video repair software to repair corrupted or damaged video files such as MP4, AVI, MOV and more file formats.